Oh, gosh. Ouais. Ọmọ ṣàfihàn wúrí ẹ̀mí la. Okay now. Okay now. Èrè ọ̀nà. Pàṣọ yẹ́mẹ̀ yàwọ̀ dàmẹ́. Tàtúwò sàmáyà o. Àtúwò sàmáyà. Tàtúwò sàmáyà. Pàṣọ dàmẹ́ yàwọ̀ yẹ̀mẹ̀. Gbégbègbè. Ayọ̀ nàrí ọ̀pọ̀ òwúyẹ̀ náà. Happy weekend. Láti ẹ̀ mẹ́gẹ̀. Egeti. Àti egeti mẹ́. Àti egeti mẹ́ o. Ní tìnígbẹ́ máa wúyẹ̀ náà. Wàtí àzé pọ̀pọ̀ mẹ́. Àzé pọ̀pọ̀. Àti ẹ̀ mẹ́ egeti. Àzé pọ̀pọ̀. Yẹ́sẹ̀ tí covers yẹn almost to kàfù. Ukamuka aláwọ̀ àgbẹ̀ wà á gbẹ́ o. Ayẹyẹ náà yẹ igi mi wọn náà dé bẹ́ẹ̀ sí nígbà yẹ gbé mẹ́ta ẹ̀ dáná làlá máa fi ọ̀tọ̀ o lápẹ́ ọ̀fíìtọ̀ wà hàn mi. Kéètì wà á ké Nàìjíríà dé dọ̀fí ọ̀tọ̀ rẹ̀. Ùsọ̀ Nàìjíríà gbọ́n yọ ọkọ̀ ùdẹ́ gbọ́n ọkọ̀ wọ́n lẹ́nu ó wà ẹ̀. Ẹ̀rọ àtàná mọ̀. Yẹ́bẹ̀ sẹ́ máa rí rẹ̀ gbé. Ayinganyo kẹsẹ bàbá rẹbẹsẹ máa rí rẹ gbé kẹtì adáyọ wá sí kpọba yìí ní ẹsẹ rí rẹ wàá rọ kí kpọba ẹsí kpọba rí rẹ ẹsẹ rí rẹ o dùmá ẹni hàmà wẹni akéètì dáyọ asókè nẹyẹ adáhùn mẹwàá ọmọ náà mọ ẹsẹ rí rẹ o. Òkan gbé my dear. Kéègé. Good morning, my lovely people. Please share this video. I'll take it, man. No. Nah, go get it gone. Yes, so my people, when I share this video, video na guy, like video na get a keti na zip up. Wa guy you say very a keti wo say very by ba e yan go gone. Ade Eketi ekwe ma mugwe nwere egbe la ọwa ure Nigeria ure webu egbe ma ọkọ we itali talo aya ewe uwe je Nigeria ma veri egbe le inu eko dodia wa ta lo luwe kita le luwe moto ure ni ozuonu makan ma mo na waye ko wa ada ha yi eketi God eri we gili wa be se wa egbu wa na wa ikwu why kunari yo why mistake ya mare gbo no yo we ikwo okono ma eni gbe ewe kin kit okono mo se gba o ne mo se le ko e o ki kore ona o sugba wo pa mi ami okono mo se ne ri me onyive ami okono mo se ne gwari oyi ni rodo bi yodo Egbogbo yori e kiti fún. Keti ara video náà wà ra ẹ mọ́nà ra ẹgbọ́n ká pè fídíò keti náà. Keti láre keti uta náà mú gbẹ ọ̀rẹ́ mọ̀ ẹ̀ susi wàwẹ́ susi ènìyàn pa wà ẹ̀. Yes, Baba with the smile saying it live and direct. Emi okpa wa esususi adu agu egu esususi wo ka mu ebo la social media na me na you no tabegbe we ya mu ebo la social media na wo ka mu ayilala la social media. Are you not the founder of ayilala on social media? Why they what do I petty wa magbe sususi wo ka mu ebo la social media we make I call la no ga call yaro bi even we keti ke live video ni na aro vi we sususi we maka ama the most make live video we na aro vi man. Susi uwe gi mia gen we na jododo era venera ijododo ne giamo bogbe we maru su no ga amu bogbo keke Susi and at the end of keke we have a group ye boy nu we bi age Susi you don't forget not be juju be that why do I paint me na ge wa magbe una too good but I share this video mo go reach their hand if they sleep me they wake up if they go work me they play and they go ogun ya to agbe ama ha mo dey go to ya bo wetin you do lo yi wa be ge o apo bi ga ge won ibi edo bo mo so na you wa gbe ewe bo na si meme ya ewe bo na o se madness ya abe euro si meme ene na ewe bo mewe why am I not crazy like the way you are fooling yourself now abe onu ga pa edo re me pa eyin me pa ere na do were despite wo go me lare ewe bo na se zuwa esusu wa miamie ekiri wa donate ani baba na bona abugu masa obo na begani imasa obo na begani bo kekeka wa ga ayu me bogbo keke social media imasa obo na wa ga aro dodo ya bogbo keke ma na meje ne live video me ga watch abu wa gi miamia wa ga ayu wa begani wa ga ayu wa ga dimofi wa gi miamia. Did you forget? Susi. You want to come out on live video now, come up with plenty water. Don't want to go, call it. Susi, we give me a mia. We are calling Monica. You get destiny na mo ladian. Na your destiny so example. We are calling Monica. Who will give me a mia, Susi? Have you forgot? Saloboa. This life not balance you. Susi. Who will give me a mia? I been the video. No, why get the video go man? Dik pe noir. Ege we ya calling Monica. Rob your destiny no ye bagwa. Ege we ya rob ye kwede wana calling Monica wana. Would you be a colleague? You were not a presenter. You were a colleague. But John, my lovey. All these are women, eh? They don't know that about you. Okay, what are you doing? Udo eketi nario warrior. Or how do I defend it by live video? You want to come and defend yourself after you have done a lot of atrocity. After you have committed a lot of havoc on social media. You want to come and be defending yourself. You think by supporting Monica or by defending Monica, that will make you be a nice person. Every wise adults in the diaspora who are watching you people's video know the real human being, know the animals inside. Eketi, ne ma bola we be we na. We o ma no reply Frank Victor. I will bet you reply we me reply we me reply you. He reply you no ho anu mu ade obodo gbi aga webu. If I bola we gbe la you gbe. Na wa bet you are. Iwa bo mo ma time we na Eketi. We reply many reply you. Ijo ha me no mu ade webu. Because you ne gbe okọ kiyan wo we mu yan ade obodo de gbi aga. Ni edu amu jai red light iwa bola we gbe a. Ni we na mu we. Awon mo ara bi mo ibi omo. We rie we bodo salo. Ou gege space vacancy we aposto. Una me mu yuere. No me do salo. Ebolo. Asoko. Oh God. What we do like live video do agun. What are you people going to advise people? See the kind of people who advise on social media. Igbe Aga Squad Association. Why do I advise on social media? A big boy na money. We sound like that. Why do I do ye boy na what bear you are agbo? He wish you a boy. He you every ye boy ye be back. Then ye boy na ye beg button. Now I take bear me wame. We sound like that. What be ye boy? Where my dad again was sugar wow. Where my home? Uma ya wele sugu no. Make my video work it. Ose nu work back in nowhere. Ose nu work back go ye gwele or disgrace with social media system. Uma me amita. Or disgrace with social media. E ket you go e yanti e serati boss or banno we gan for social media. E secret wa ya ogbegbe ya la jan. Uma la de defend gbo nu wo wa gbo. O maladia no do take no wie what do azu what do ye boy o sala de ye boy o sala de suzi what do atare to because we manige we oso man mama ndere mai nu wa o mama ya gazo o sa evere no zuwa noro no mare no yi o sa evere ye bio mo ne bima gbana ona la social media do saga we no no ni science say o mi piwe o sa evere a do voice of truth. You know that you have a child that is not okay, and you came out on social media to come up and do saga. Don't you see how stupid you are? We no go mo we bie o ma dey okay for you to enter house or come out on your platform, be using your platform to see how people can assist you to take care of your child. Instead, una sama that video, you want to do saga. You want to saga people that have 2 legs when you have 1 leg. Why gbele kan ro yan wa dagbe gbele kan ro yi. Nu ke gbele kan ro o ma kin ba wa we Senegal. Iwa ya la Europe ya la Senegal ya maro igbo. Wa do agbele kan ro live video. Wa bola we gbe wa go ogwa. I disgrace to agbo social media now because ewu wa se na. Ewu wa o se na. I ga se popo o. Aze popo na ebe mara e.
Do like and share the video for me. Please share the good morning. Good morning.
Where dey it now we?
I don't even know say Mama Boy do video. Now as first he call me say Kate, la wo. The buye boy go see la wo. I just like wait till she talk.
Shut up. You know how the buye boy go. Any town where buye boy go.
Mama Boy, in as I dey respect women, no. As in women wey senior me well. Women wey reach to born me.
Your boy gunu, you dey respect women, then you carry your man come Europe make do prostitution. You dey respect women. Where you know if you respect your own mother. You dey respect women, then you carry your man come Europe make do igbiaga. You dey respect women. Oh, you dey lie to this is your lie, now you lie right from group cutting now. Oh, you told it. The respect women. Where is the respect there? You dey respect women, you carry your man come do Lagos no money. Sesegwante. 1 euro. You dey respect women. Now you respect women pass. I'm gonna respect you. For boy. Go here.
I dey respect them. But if you lost your respect for where I did, you no go like how I dey respect my sure women well. But if you lost your respect for where I did, you no go like am. You no go like me. Mama Boy, you dey talk say me join the people wey spoil your meeting. Now only 3 points I carry. Mama Boy, You forget, even when Frank come out, come they talk, I know they talk to that one, right from the one with that one they find me. I know they talk to them. Frank and Kate, who fell come on for your meeting? Now that
Now, see me I define you. Who you be we I define? Oh God. For you. Oh God. Hey Katie. Hey Katie. Katie. Hey God. Kate. Now me fair come on for that group. Ime su we are ye group ini. You understand now? Ime su we are ye group ye boy. Waga would done the group ye boy. Do my own any come away. I still repeat and I repeat it and I can prove it. Eketi, waga avie mi no the group ye boy vio gyo saye vere. Uve vio gya wase we. U sha gyan. Geni ave tavile do. Geni ave tavile do. If you any wa wo gyan wo na we monitoring spirits. Are guys no ga group ni ya. This one so ni ye ni ya. All those are guys with the group that year. Kate. O no wodo. Egu me gbagban. Ona wodo we ye. O wazo we de we marry. Kate right from time. We group no Kate you are married woman. You are married woman. Dada no we do marry ban Kate. Right from time inside the group Kate we are married woman. Responsible married woman. And he was the worstest girl in that group. So na woman. Worstest girl no got we group ni. But you have we responsible married woman. Ukboega ade with the group. Oh, you na make back. Very demonic woman. You want who done social media like Kate nanu wamina. Ohem ya ze partner. Ona azo saiveri no ma we ni gbe. O ma kinok ya mudaren. O saiveri yin bi omo ni bi ma gbana yo wa. No ya gwale no ya gba o ye. Ona la live video na do ata lo na do aro we no ma ro ye. Ona do aho no ma we. Ona do amu gbini yobo. Ona do awe support. Ona do awe PA lele Kate. Ona do awe last man standing. Wa bola wa gbe abi ko dan. Abi ko na kabu newe do kufwa. Aga kwazen bi gwe o dedo no baye. Aga kwa hogi o dedo no baye. Awaza ni deba amokane e ya je we bodo gbigbe aga. Agwa wa kwori ya wa bola wa gbe. Omo dan. We ma ga mo dan we. Eketi we ma ga mo dan we. Omo na mu ya de obodo gbigbe aga. We ma ga mo dan. Obie rien ti Cameroon no receive me mana. Igbane o emuje yewe bu. Igbane o emuje ije no bio. Ona muje re bu igbane. Ona murare igbaha. Inyare do yokwe for holiday. Inyare do stroll around. Egis summer of mujeri. Ije do snap a picture do dukmon ije or the enjoy. Or I visit 2 months no or the denije ye wa re ije ba. The next other summer of a mudare. Oho a single mother for that matter. Marriage my single mother. Wina. Wona mu juere. On do asale ke on do balance a carry. Hey. When maybe I did back even balance a carry name of Nigeria. Anyway, when we juere. He was a balance a carry. Oh God. This thing shocked me. I cannot imagine I will bring my father to Europe. I will say, Daddy, Oyana, come and position here. If Daddy moved to supermarket in Arrow, you know, me Arrow with the other supermarket. You understand? What balance? You go to Yam, what balance? Oh, Ojama Kwada. Ojama Somi. Te bien moué. Il joue au vieux avec Kuyo. Because only my ebe kobono ya de he yungome. No ya ro ebudo. Say this man don't make me miss my boss. No vex. You understand? How can you bring your mother to Europe for omyogo? Iwaya mujin arewebu ni ado enjoy. Let them come and feel the enjoyment in Europe. Let them come and see how you have made it in Europe. When you are you will still come out of live video and be painting your face like crocodile. Still be talking, boldly talking. When you shocking yourself inside, you got nothing to offer. Go one a live video. What is good about you women? What is good about you women that is speaking on live video? Education or magic school. You people are not educated. Very lunatic women. I mean, kuna feel in Nigeria. Kuma adia webo. Obele go some money. What those salika you will. You people will not come on live video as if you people are a lecturer. Who are you lecturing? What did you have? You people are also lecturing the kind of illiteracy people that is also your followers. Check the people that are following you. They are also deaf and dumb like you people. I will not run governor. What did you expect the people in that country? Yeah, baby. Can a graduate be listening to people like you? Don't hear all the atrocity that is around you people. Atrocity that surround you people. PhD or the way I have to listen to Kate ODL. Like, seriously, what did you have to offer? Yes, was a live video do have all that way. A man a pen on the K-way. Who for waiting? Who I said you did. I always tell you the truth about you. And you know what? That's why you cannot reply, because you know I said the truth about you. Understand it now? Even we ataladia unuwe, make gbenya we. You just a group here body go zaze we or one number one person. No zaze group in you. You the baby could imani measure any care because you care in your mouth in Europe. Yamado yan do a baby. Yamado fully on social media. Yes, I don't want to measure the rest of that. Both the men inside, both the boys we still did, the guys we inside. I be an mic be. I be no ja. Be an yo. You got away. A man is soon you because all those one don't do me anything. All those one they always see to they run follow. Now put because for they run follow. Oh yes, not the truth. What you any now le Who any me la dia. Oh yeah, do a flanking me. No matter how you're too deep rich, you know if you feeling the Bible this man. Bible this man I follow my heart. When you get naga sign the group Togi. Umain here presenter again. You will still a student. You will not a presenter. Jumping from one platform to platform, running here and there. I went out baby with some other thing. Of your view, we will kids. Now I call you. Or when we are called to Nigeria now, when we buzy with you, we both buzy. We are in Nigeria, highway. We are Bamasango. Gaganya, who are going to destroy the young motive people. Where you way? Where get Umugi Big, but in the phone, we are live video. Where they go live video. Who dare go see me? On my way, when I open, I don't know you Nigeria, no robots. No, you are here. You see a good year. Point à qui? Ou lié point à qui? Ou voyez, vous voyez dans les points à qui? Ou lié point à qui? Vous voyez qui point en dry. Ou voyez calme. Vous voyez des parler, ou est strong, il y a un smile of eyes. Ou est il y a un strong, il y a un smile of eyes. Ah, signal surtout. Que va vous, mais même vous, il en a qu'on ne veut même. Te we zeje we. Te we zeje. Why does what? Why are you does what? Can you imagine? What's all that? I don't reply ye boy. Na I think be me van. We men wa attend the gbe ma we zan we gan wa. O ma mi wu men wa. We dans l'argent wa da yeboy yori o kare o e wo gbe ki group yeboy yobo e wo zanze group yeboy yobo keti o keria e wo afie group yeboy yeva e wo ga speaker o keti e keti e wo ga speaker o sa evere wa avio o yeboy u vio go sa evere gbi wa avio o yeboy u vio go sa evere gbi bola we e Nigeria no we na ma ye ke mentality ni wa abo aba mentality ni wa abo in Nigeria ma ye ke ozo awe money save do ya on do igwe. Can you imagine when ore we bu ya mu ola gabe Senegal wa o wa gbon iwa ye boy iju we vi ye boy ye gbe yan ma we do ye boy ya gi do aro fi pe ye boy no zaga wa gbon aze popo abo la ju egbe wa gbon then ye boy na mo egbe gbo tonu wa oh we ye boy ma left for Monica Monica ma gbon ni Monica no wa Monica no ge wodo wa bo la wa Monica gbe we na wa go wa o ma gbe Monica na soko asoko no kuwe ke Monica ko pa ni yan ti Franca oh shock Franca with iri yen ni Franca wa gbe o idenu wa ya wa go wa okay unda ina when he lock up is 2 days abi 3 days now who are waiting here we saga wa go wa awoko nu he guya we no fian kankan oku be kpuhi oku obi kpuhi obi sa me na wi ya kpakara abe zigizigi no ro ni wi khiekwa ogu wa yiri o abe sugu group we ma dege gbu we eketi we gbe o ge iga azen we to wi ale lewe abu we ma yu we ka o kam kamala we gbe de we ke we are we bu ege we ya ka ni do dedo we ya ma gbe bogedo to na do to try to kafu babola we gbe a to kafu agwa be yu wa gbo do afi la kono we ani gbe boy o ye boy bi ro egbe biaka no yegbe re yo egbe no wana yegbe re yo egbe biaka iri biaka mi efu wata ma wona ati o ye boy wa bi ro egbe so ina bolo fo e wata ai no e me ni ye boy ta o giru gbe akiti e jagile te mata na gbode e me ni ye boy ta live video ni o giru gbe ya is there anything ni ye boy ta o geje e me no ya sunu abere na group me mu we ga je e me no ya sunu e no Katie why you dey lie kids come out and talk do giru gbe because you every year we tell na we ga defend the gbe you were trying to defend yourself after the atrocity you did. They may need boy tana no ye boy about oba ogia. No, mabo, what was I ever big group ye boy now? What was I ever or big group ye boy? I was I ever the Ronnie, or Ronnie who had more to vanish you one because only any money law one who had to me. Eh? Because I ogin in as in you garely. Uba we were there about Simon. Uba we were there eyeball Simon. I did it. Adere aibo savere eketi wo savere iya ni ya no iya ni ya mi gbe iya ke yan adomiti o se yan go begbe o o so na mi wo savere na zege de rule la jado different eketi o savere ya different eketi of ye vie ne sera ta ya eketi gbe na we ma dere ya savere e o de to savere du ma be kon e sera eketi iya gbari ba ni ma ya gbari fun pa ni que on a bari ba ene ku we no kuri adere de no si kegbese sa evere nu come na ma jewe omo ni we bari ba ene que no kuri anyogi de no si kegbese wa me nwe e o wa na nyara ku na se fi iva bona wala wa so gbugbu we e sera veketi inya ko haru wi mote pa inya de ni ayi ikwedi mofi edero ni sagari kaso the first sagari kunia ikwe de mofini ayo uwi moto yana so sagari eketi ga gain na ateni yeji ikwe di mo fi yanju eketi na yaki saga party ona yaki saga party wo yiku ona yiku na le raimu le biariku e ba na le biku mai una gain we na ko no rebe ikele we ni unwa arewe kere ya di umare ti yebo godogwa ya wa arewe ume pa yi kure wana so gossip ku we kisira ire jo sagi ya wona ire na ya wana so wana wa so no ota we neketi una mo yi live video wa ye ya ndo so wana na ni flat nyash big nyash slay nyash this cloth no good ana kina gwana gwa kini ge mu vamwa eketi be isira keti umanda ga gbo woni isira wo to wa kigo le lo agbon ni go ma kigo okigo na iyan kigo le lo mo agbon ni go ma kigo awewe no mi go se teson ye gba egbe keti 300 viewers no wege me we wa be gbo foyi o ko menu wa ba le ti ogu we nai azuwe ebe gu we gbe yegbe u be ya se we ya gbo for my viewers u ya se we gbo salo azuwe nai it's no blast here eketi ba le ti ogu we na ekwe mu we agwo mogun tebo gbe keti ihe egu mu ijuwe ye webo ijuwe ti go ti go egun ti bu wa ge na hana na ijuwe go vie no do social media na wa to wo was yes una mo so like we pa di mo fi we birthday pa di mo fi me o vie na me kiri a ogi ve na gbo ikwe pa di mo fi una e birthday pa di mo fi no wa go successfully after the birthday after the party play the blues una ya saga party ina woni hu are we na woni hu are we because ya te bolu egbegbe wege ni even ni won ni kiba keti la iba bola we wa we go na o you go do alaja live video do a defend egbo we alaja live video do ata eso so zi we o kie platform ya na aro wi so this uzi awon ma kie platform we na aro yo ma mmenne so ota did somebody not open platform where you were insulting people? You are my sister. Or you say me. My deba ogboka we ni Nigeria matter. Yes, so the fact that you are my sister will not mean I will not tell you the truth. Iye boy ya go wrong. Iwe tini gbe ma. Yes. Also iye boy tata we rovi. E want to know meta mi iye boy beto take away the insult here. The same thing goes to you, Suzy. You coming out to judge Kate, where Kate ke platform or where Kate is a bad person. Kate, my sister, the same thing you also did. You were also the same class. Kate, you were once a caller, a colleague. Oh God, understand? So you were once a caller. You were also calling in for people's platform and be humiliating people. That's what you were doing. You see the law of karma. This is the law of karma. Social media is a place that you even judge or a social media platform. The things that you do to people is still coming to pay, is still coming to your own self. And you know that of a boo or say every social media. And so we can't call it, a caller, you were once a commenter. Oh, we are calling me bog. So obviously we gbe neni and I be calling na me bog. So my sister we will not keep platform. Oh, not keep platform up with topic la dia. Oh yes. Keep platform na with topic la dia na so two topic okay. So people have to contribute. Hello. Oh God. You understand? So when it contribute to you and there, when you have it over here, so the same way when I by the movie qui platform, on a call you know me bug with huh? Monica qui platform, on a call you know me bug with huh? What is Osegbe no. Osegbe. No. Ma gmonaki. Na be gui. Look here wa gbe keti gwan. Oze ne keti do. You just go straight. Analyze Kate issue. Talk to Kate. Where Kate get it wrong. Tell Kate. Not use the collar. Say a Kate maro vie well. A Kate maro vie well. La wana. A Kate maro vie well. Say Kate you know you la wa. A collar of you well. So you don't have issue with Kate. Don't you have when you Kate?
That question I want to ask you, Mama Boy. Frank, I want to rush this video. I want rush, and if I come back, may not be say don't talk and say, Mama Boy, Monica where you declare follow better pass you. Monica where you not be say because say I did live video, now me the talker. Monica
where Monica the ye boy, body on master ye boy, you lie. Kate, you lie. Kate, a Monica, or what is away? Monica was pass you. Kate. E Monica e Kate ye boy where on there ye boy be pejama. Where on there when I heard of ye boy say social media na where on there ye boy drop a pejama. A page no one amigo ne where on there ye boy be pejama. But a Monica we awe kita no vyo ye u. Awe ko no di awe yo ni sa no ko yo social media no ko bodele. Iya Monica use ya drop a pejama. When you a page when I get na ugbenya Monica. Awi yo ni sono lele Monica here. Iya do gbe page we. Social media na we. Social media na ye ke to te wa we na we awologbo.
they follow. Do not they learn from her. Now they make me vex on many of una. Una they follow and not they learn anything from her. Una won't talk say now because she they feel use all the old women way near her. Because if your age grow, your brain not grow follow your age. Small picking go can't use you.
Ologbojo so down a lot.
From Monica at least. And then now this point of time where you suppose as a mother, no matter what. See Susie come out to talk to you, okay, to offend me or in as much say I not offend that woman. I not offend her because I not ever do live video insult her. Now waiting I hear, based on the respect where I get for mature women, based on how I take the respect mature women, make una look me, make una look other presenter. If they hear anything like that from you, the way whether not true, whether not lie, the way they go on live video, fair insult you. The only thing where what did they call this woman? The only thing where she talk, mommy Susie, he say he no verse or any other thing. Now only when I open my line, me Naomi they insult her. Now I verse. Of which as a presenter, you don't even need to verse because the carry matter commits me. OTL is our daily life. As long as me not insult you. Now I even they tell and say don't do. Now as body they hot her. Now as body they hot her, not be me insult you. So for that reason, you're not supposed to verse for me because the talk where we talk not be plan talk. Say if you just come insult her because I don't know as una two take it. Imagine Wivana be she only come my platform, come express her feelings, come talk. She insult you for that. Okay, fine. You say you verse because it's on my platform. Now only that one you say I offend you. That one I not offend you. That's Susie. And number two, when I hear what you talk concerning me or do concerning me, when you come live video, one thing where I notice about Susie, if she did live video, she sabi use her mouth talk or you can let go for them. If poto dey your body, a talk go remove all the poto for your body. But for inside, Susie is not like that. Sorry to say, this will not be insult. I dey read person. I dey study person. Me and Susie even worse past me.
Ologbo.
Now they call that time when Papa Wala case and those all that year. Now she go call for platform. All I hear and yoga here and yoga.
Okay.
Me and she now, my bury me not my via Kakabolu radio.
Akure Joshua.
For people where you not know.
Ijo.
People where you not know nothing about.
Ijo.
Me can still do something about Monica where me not still know nothing about. So me and you now. I don't know why you won't like video. They do all those things to feel say you too good. Now you better pass.
Okay.
You turn on motion. I'm not go ahead.
Okay.
Now the law will catch thief. Now that law, now still catch the person will follow thief buy him.
Okay now.
Now the law will catch thief. Now catch will follow and buy.
I don't see my period.
Why you can't come out, come they analyze all these things.
Akure.
Please, my people. I'm going to come back later. I'm watching out. I need to catch up with my appointment. Okay, guys. I'm going to do this video later, alright? So, guys, I'll catch you later. I really need to go because my appointment at 10:30.
Oguta no muji. Omu no gwedo ewa tanihi. Emenikiti tawa. Uvi ogbi. Mwana stand mina. Ewa ta gedegberi ba we. Owe suzi worst iseye. Owe ya me suzi social media na we suzi yogo twase. Ekiti ota o. Understand? Ya ta me ekiti ta. Owe suzi owoge oye piete. Social media na. Owo ze ne suzi edo social media na. Ye may a half of it. Owe suzi e no ma concern na what you be ye getting social media what IT oga hire yo oga murebe ekiti ota o. Owo ne kile suzi ga do social media na. Owe suzi ga live video. Or you pay top or you pay zanzem, or you pay zanzemata, or we what was your way, or you pay qua, or you if not, or you pay quasi a cate. Or what I allow why have you, Yama? A cut your time. Jesus, that is what we call fake life. Always I like the live video guy once, when we get better. Ebejo ya ivaji na yi erika eyan egbe o ebejo ya ivaji suzuzi be eketi o we suzuzi ga ila di live video ga you pe to kun ne fie o ga ila wa we ri karata ge wo wa o wi yin ga gwe gan live video we ni ko ro te do egbe ko ro ni ipe kwa e de suzuzi ga ila wa o ya face of your veto ro wa dele Owewe ni meye meta o oru ologo gbe na ri correct uzo ma ere tinye ru o owo gata lapa yen waye sin e wa kin na wa kin ona ri baso e maso aga ya ru ma ru wa no fi ona na robot e fia mo wa nya wa pa o wa ma gba mo wa nya dun pa o gida obje auzon akin aga de yeme akin kuta ana temi ni fi anya gbe si geri ma Anate fi anya egbe si geri ma wije ve. Anate fi anya egbe si geri ma uji ve nije. Ege juja. Wa fi anya egbe bana. Wa feli de go gwe. Wa try amede go taguwa. Understand? Go gwe. Wa feli ne go gwe. Wa ya gbe Torino, gbe Malaka, gbe Jam gbe Vicenza, gbe Salo, agbe Poari Spain, agbe are Torino, agbe are Como, agbe are Milan. Agbe are Venice Mestre, adogbe are Switzerland, agbe are Norway, agwa ligo le kona ya no le Europe ne. Wa le mi fo pa mu dia yi, wa dolo ni mu wa yi. Wa dolo ni mu wa yi, agwo mo gun atebogbe. Wa dolo ni mu wa yi. Uhe ni monokino gbe ki ayi ne, ekoko biri gbe ki ayo, Senegal gbe ki ayo, Italo gbe ki ayo, Spano gbe ki ayo, Française gbe ki ayo, Demakio gbe ki ayo, Noweli gbe ki ayo, Suzili gbe ki ayo, Bejoni gbe ki ayo, different country wa test ki ayo le Ghana, eke kolok baron ko ba test. Wa gi ko ya mo wa gba haru wa yegbe. Wa gba haru wa yegbe, ave di do man. Different country all over. Iya sukiyo, iya ona sukiyo. Bangladesh gbekayo, Ivory Coast gbekayo, Cameroon gbekayo, Lobadia gbekayo, Nona gbekayo, Jumenians gbekayo, Jokalans gbekayo. Different country where some major. Toto is crying for freedom. Toto needs rescue. He needs rescue, please. Italian rescue, German rescue, Spanish rescue. Please come for the aid of Kpekus. Kpekus need rescue. Why help Kpekus? Kpekus is crying for freedom. I go more go table. You need to rescue them. You should have to rescue them because this is getting too much. Huh? How do I have that one? This one is just morning breakfast tea. Breakfast tea for the weekend. Why you know and while a bit time? Why analyze it? Why analyze it? Why get the kitty way? Usaye mere do. You should cover your mouth and go and apologize to your boy. Because we're also not back a group in it. A group in it got a bomb. A group in it was bomber to bomber. By the time Usaye mere the kids, just step into that group. There's Zanzan that group. A kitty we by a group in it like ye boy na ye ba. And I'll be the ba. Any a kitty we ba. I would not know Ekete was having a mission in that group, towards that group. She was having a mission towards that group. Oh, we ekba. Ekete yakba. Ona kalo my fey. Ona boliye boy yari boy fey. The fey saga ye boy. Ben bata na kinyo se. Oh, we ekba. Iye boy na bido. Efey na bido iye boy la riye bido ye yo. Yon pa ye boy iye boy remove many women from that group. We did misbehave. Only Kate was the one insisting with him to second. He must do tayeba. He make any ye. Eva ya ma do ye ba. Ya onya group ye zigo jine. He's not even talking about the money, but he learning wana. He like when he learning wana. Now we are zedo. We are when he do. He want like a Kate ga go for we group in. Oh Jesus Christ. Yangelewe the choir master of God that time was this Satan. Satan was the choir master. Satan was the choir master of in heaven. This earth. If Kate give you prayer point, if Kate pray, oh Jesus, you are anointed. You will be anointed. You will be touched by the Holy Ghost. Kate, done. Do have different social media. Oh no, man, bow. If any man way, that is the only people that you can deceive. People that don't have spiritual eyes, that can't see, that don't know what you are. That's the only people you can deceive. But the people that have spiritual eyes, who knows you, who looking straight into your eyes, know who you are, who are pure. Let me hear you say, Pem, when you tell about you, boy, your social media, and I'm not even here, I will bet you are. Service. I get where I did go. Where you did go? Who will ya hustle in Nigeria? That's where unia. I shall want you word up. Is this or you? That's where una. Rabbi Mayu will ya hustle in Nigeria. We don't know. We know the story now. We know ya before flat. Where you they were. Ogoni yi me Suzuki oh. Suzuki me destiny bagwa nyahu. Yeah, sure example. You destiny bagwa sure example. Oyana. Yeah, sure example. I will say we were in there. We had to accomplish. We are platform yaro. We my sister area we me. Who are ya with me because where no where who was is already. No where who was is already. We understand. Yeah, why you? Okay, now I'll see you guys later. I go do one or two things. Go do one or two things. You can be me already, man. I'm a Moria will wait or you waiting in dollar. I will not too much be. I just see kids just jump out. Just jump out 2 times. Come the saga my boy. You I will get you. Because you go where you mighty go. You boy may blame no mighty be ban on your way. Of you get no way, but you boy mighty sans our gan. No bully boy. Me a guy moye boy me a go ya agbeju. Cause you be more than you. Yes na. Me a go ya if the secret you ya social media. And then you boy no let me know. If he download the secret you ya, he download then you boy. No ya blast you. They test you. Yeah, we really you won't put ya. I mean, winning. I don't know. Yeah, you won't put again. Because that's what you. That's what now you position. Are you position? I'm a video no we doc by video no we make a video no concern you we. A video no we doc ba we ne keti. We make of the no we ya keti o na gun ya we ya ke page. Iwa ya we ke page. Story we ya ke page. A story we or some ya ke full page. Aya go page. I'm monetize the page ni. A story keti bejo. Just cover your matter. Use shame enter house. Bi ko ya mu of video no we do la ja video. O me na hu da ha we ke gani ade. A story where one ke page or grow. A kitty. You know Monica everywhere. Monica don't even know, you don't even know yourself. If I diagnose your matter come out for this social media, I go play out your audio. Go marry working a kitty, I go. You know, say you man only saga was there because you were banging up money. Then you were not banging up money. This is where you is there. You know, can you okay, another you bend that I get a long way Zalekayo here, quality 50 euro. No, they always special wa. La live video do attach that to. Attach that to where you know a lot of no a keti what boy are gonna ni. Use your two hands to cover your mouth. A keti you pok gunu ni. You pok gunu obeva you beva gunu ni. If I hear pen. If I hear pen, when I get the atamaj, the way I go jebogun, ajebo, ukmo kan rijo na kan jebo, iba bola jebo gbene, ukmo kan rijo. Ediga agwa jebogun, jebo mari, ana ati huna gbe kola, keke ekebeke, kekebe no mu yowa. Keke pupu yeke no mu yowa, iga agwa ego, ana ati huna gbe kala. By the time he has your boy ya on, udege of the real self, the real human being that you're working, or he perform in mawana. It's no longer a dazon CC, not take a take bay. It's not the real human being. That is what is. May no iki we what does any joy will be. Ewe will be is your way because ewe will be your way. You arrive from Nigeria before you come Europe. So you don't have to pretend to the people that is in the diaspora. We know you, my guy. Understand? So, eketi your boy agunu we ni agunu we la janu we ya owu we. Iyen ni go ni je boy akun. You understand? We're take a bank account because of you. Yeah, a bank account because of you. Social media will recognize me for that account too. God, in Jesus Christ. No, my neighbor, I do my church saga. A saga, I will social media go to say, yeah, this bros will try for this month. Take BMA, you drink. Hope you understand me now. And I'm not ban of against the end in the year. So, either if you boy now, why I call respected boy? One of them because you get to that marriage. How can you imagine? Why are you honeymoon by now? When I marry Jack, we are we. Why are you honeymoon? We are most alimio, Yamo, di. What one do? Alimio Yamudi. What do? I don't want to open this my gutter. You know this my mouth is a gutter. If I open this my gutter, you will not. You go smell this way you do. Or the when in Nigeria, don't handle. Or the when in Nigeria, or do I handle? Alim you going to marry with your one, no about the one. Open the gutter now. You know, yam you piano here, you do tell you live video. You look here and enter house. Time when you anyway swear. So use your head, use your head. We are all working at Jebo. You got this go to school where you chose who year what the phone. You got a big book, who's one year what the phone way. One understand? They got Jebo never polite, but they walk on you. Oh, no, the bag bill, piano walk, oh, piano walk, mag bill, piano walk. And then we are mammy, to Okuna and Egbo, Toga live a table, Okbiano. Okbiano ho, Okbiano Zua. The Nigeria Gigi, Kuwekimo, Uwe do mammy, do mammy, or where are they? Or when I walk a class, when I sit down class. Your wife is the working class, while you are the sit down house class. Or how I in the fabrica work in the one we 8 hours in we don't fear walking your head or dress or the face away eyelashes with the life video okay na mo ikwu so wa o asha ima believe go no any be adran rubbish in we uni o ga we do 8 hours in we via mo you school because you are the wo de tota okwana okpiana mo wo magbe okpiana mo wo ama mi ere to kono ene gbe to gari ra ene wa go wo azu odu mako very useless man gi wonu so ni bi edo ni adam yo gi wonu ska baba e o ero bi mu e na wa ti gbiyan wi bi edo yan e na wi bi edo yan o bi edo o pia o so no ko ya ari bai o pe akun no ko ya e o ko won don no gba mesa won ne ko wodo so okan no la wodo di agbegbe ni ene den a responsible man, a man that truly loves his I don't want you to work, sit down. Oh, I will take your responsibility, I will take care of you. That is a man. That is a man. Ajebonu wo uje kekebe me yakinu bia wona kinu uzu agogoyo e Vivian wo agogoyo Vivian no ma enigbe o wo o to tayo kwa o ga gba ore mo odo ga nwina o ariwo ne o kan mi ge bai mi go na ya dokun egbe ya de we fun enu wa ade ni mi eni ga do eri do ya behave. Go to South Africa. Go and see how South Africa women are running after Benin men. Go and see how South Africa women are running after Benin men because you know why? Benin men they spend money. Benin men they take care of. I know how many South Africa women when they rewe bona you die ni me. Ni ya wo bi eto ki. Iko de South Africa. Wa na South Africa women wa go le lo bi eto. O we Benin men they spend. O we Benin men know how to take care of woman. Benin men know how to take care of woman. When I can no take care of. Unamure make. Igwa be avenu. Yi. Eri abonogili pinu ni ogili penu si. Wonu ko hian onu ko agba owe. E wo hian agba owe gin. Odo do aje wo kan odo si. Oko na da magbe okpe na mo ko magbe okpe. Hey, ufi inwe do fi egwiri. Ufi wedo ufi ewirie abi ko yan ya gbogbo yo we ufi wedo wirie okwo na wodo magbe okwo na wodo ora sugboriyan ora se bedo de lori e okwo na wodo magbe o eri edo ya si won ni e o pe na mo okwo magbe o pe na mo okwo e baba ajebo who have done this to you baby when na negative when na deriye kegwu ye de ajebo fi wedo wirie fi social media okwo no me odo magbe okwo no me odo oga sugbori yan oga se bedi ode lori e okwo no me odo magbe okwo no me odo ere do ya si won e keke bera gile okwo no me odo oga ri sugbori yan oga se bedi o ide lori e wala oni okwo no me odo ajebo wona ihin o pe ana mo okwo magbe o pe o we ito ne osadan e o baba o ra to me osanegun ende yeke osaloba o daze apama no mo ri omo ya ni yeke na bi egin ade yeke egin ahin loko han koko ozwo ugele wa kun my brother yi udere na ikwo ya ni be rewe bona yan hen we e ban ya gele do gba ohun ki e bank wo ya do yan ohun we baba we this man ta wan yan me no ti o tutu no mo no wan ike we wa dezin na mo we bijo we I man mo ambassador no ti yan de ra ohun ki ni they don't know you they don't know the kind of ambassador no ambassador yeah ambassador no ni na they don't know you and this is the real person you are. Ami sama gwan pe ade we do we body le ya ugo na ya woni Nigeria oni na be ya woni Nigeria so lo ba rin he to gre Nigeria ki gbe yuwo pa won Nigeria na ya deceive mo Ah, they think deport my own. Yeah, deport you. My brother go on like that. Now the body level na ya zero no ya reba. Man understand? They ain't deport you. We no want to retard. They ya ni ya ero yo kan we. Man understand? Because okwere okwere nuri yeni ogbu e karia. Man understand? There any. Dodo Oguna menore Lagos. Omari say, "Hey God, Agbito, Ebra Vito na ya me I ribegbe." Oguname, Ogunogu. Why do we have it now? The Kobole Legbiya. Why can you see the kind of life that they live abroad? If you do, Ikbiya take me Ikbiya. Ugono Omagolo. Kajebo Omajebo. Well, sure, it is where. But a good morning. Na good morning. What? You see where they had my face. I know how you don't have to. I go hide my face. You know, say the big boy. I only had my face. Where in the air on the way. I just been inside bed here. They tidy my one or two things. Hey, Baba, where is my? They had my face, my guy. For my yagbe. Oh, for my yagbe last time. Oh, piano won't my bill, piano won't. Oh, me a come on, me a to go out here. I no, yeah. Oh, me a come on, me a to go out here. Como solidariedade aí. Mas tá. Eu ganho lá. Oh, mierere, come on, mierere. To go out here. Yes, my people. I don't think you live this morning. I would not even be on my balance. Wà á rí ìpìyànù wà lélẹ̀ àrí ìpìyànù owó ní kò mú yẹ́rẹ́ lọ́mọ rírì náà wà á gbọ́n gbé nìyẹn wà á gbọ́n gbé nìyẹn báwo this man say so wà á tọ́ lásìkò check up understand yes confirm yes man I don't fear anybody o I really. Na a guy matter for here. Say Ugo dey Nigeria. Ugo Odogun, he dey Nigeria. He dey Nigeria. My little Carol White, my dog Danny Cream, my bleachy. Really my you. Ló la top mi rẹ̀ ẹ̀dẹ́rẹ́ gbé dọ́gba gbé ló ṣàgbé. Ẹ̀dẹ́gbó tí kò mọ rí wà yìí. Máa start. How ta hold the water? What do you know what? What do you know what? Okbiano won ko ma gbe okbiano won ko. Okbiano won ko ma gbe okbiano won ko. Omi erere gan ma merere to ko kare wa ene.
Call Iran line na no go when I jega ka anywhere if you want on move but when I go so the God will serve God all in your tears today now all those lies which you like against you now today now the lie don't dey for now minister talk to us
okay na life you dey now
na life I dey now my sister talk we dey here not dey look the one you did the watch out just dey talk we dey hear you.
If you grow in the village, you will know what it is.
If you are just watching me now, please invite your friends. The our sister, she's a former woman who was in a relationship with Angel, who have 2 children, not wife, because we cannot call her a wife. Because she's not a wife. You understand? So a former woman who live in Spain, who Angel once spoiled in life. Thank God say today, and this woman survived from this mystery. May the ghost of our ancestor going to bless our sister in Jesus' name. I mean, please invite your friends and listen to her. She want to claim her innocence. She want to tell everybody, say all those our women we not hear from the woman. They could talk say this woman na bad person. Now say they did this one. Today, this our sister want to tell everybody, say there was never a time where all those lies where I lie against her and lie. My sister, continue. Invite your friends.
My brother, no, you don't even need many explanation. Do you understand? Me when they talk, so I don't hold anybody explanation.
Yes.
You get my point? Why I cannot hold anybody explanation?
Benjamin.
When they carry they come from Nigeria, now the woman way born for an they talk so. Whatever year made the year, now the woman way born 2 children for an they talk so. When they carry they come from Nigeria, not be so that you follow come. Now fight.
Easy, my lovely woman. I got many kisses for you. Yeah. I bought. Okay, now I'm down here. Okay.
Today get picky. Thank God today me I still get picky. Everybody do okay, everybody be successful. But my problem with him is this. Why they narrate me to take me top? They not supposed.
Yeah.
They not supposed to narrate me to take me top. You understand? Me, I never
Vera
want to
Hobby
narrate her for social
Benjamin.
media. I never want to. This is my first time.
Okay, Vera boyfriend.
On social media. Me I call it talk to people.
Then Benjamin.
Let me tell you that word just now. I don't get anybody explanation. What you say I do am bad, make you come ask me direct. You go quote me, you go ask me, say, why you do this thing bad? I go ask her whether I be my God. You understand? And moreover, my brother, this life, anything where mama, papa do, anything where mama, papa do for life, no be the one they'll tell they worry the children. Because the children, they are innocent.
Yes.
They are innocent. They know nothing about what their parents are doing.
Exactly.
You get my point? So, Father, for Europe, where we be, so we will know as everybody be for Europe, and condition of Europe. Nobody will talk say no as Europe be. So, it will all be king. Then it will say because to say that one I do about sin. For that simple reason, you don't care what he want to do to those children. You get my point? Because you don't care what he want to do to those children. This September, when we want end. So last week Sunday, last be my first daughter, when me born for her. The 17 years, which is 20th of September, I'm gonna ask her whether he called that girl, say happy birthday. Just only happy birthday. After the talk, now I'm gonna answer the question. Who's at the right? Make it jot her down. I don't wish her death. You understand?
Yes.
I don't wish her death, but I believe say my God will ask her question concerning waiting in heart to those children. 2 girls. That's why you get girls for Europe. You know, say don't grow, you go buy coat, you go buy bra, pants, you go buy shoe. Now, September we enter so with all children for Europe today. They buy book and all that. Mona ask her, waiting in contribute among of those things. Waiting in by me, they take the word, now when they view her, when they watch him, and they're born, when they say they're born, and his name is Owowo.
Oh.
His name is Owowo. I know him. I brought it to Europe since 99. More than 99, we know.
1999 bring her to Europe. We see you don't work 11 years for Europe.
You understand? Normally, when they job at Doro, everybody don't know put for Europe. The name now Owowo. The real name now Owowo.
Yes, sir.
You say you know you are do for yourself.
Okay.
You want to use that do for outside that's over.
Okay. Ni adazo.
That's
I'm going to tell you. I will come play this video for Ajebo again. Ajebo, your case, I want adjustment. From if you be woman, you go fine, finish, see us this morning. My God, thank you very much, Miriada, offer me. Baba with a smile, you fine, Sha. Thank you. Another person, okay. Now the year we take this monitor. This video I will don't have again. Ajebo go open orphanage home for Nigeria. One take care of him sister Pekin for Nigeria. In young blood Pekin waiting for Spain. He never take care of him. Now listen to be understand me now. Oma egba owo money e bie we bu. Omo na ni e bie we bu. Oma egba o ya gba o give abele man living road. Àwọn yàn gba ọ̀rọ̀ àwẹ́ yẹ wọ́n àwẹ́ ní reading growth ní ẹ wáyé kí yẹn bí ẹ wáyé mi gbé náà àgbọ̀dẹ̀ yìí wẹ́ máa wọ́n kí ẹ̀rọ ronú wẹ́ wáyé àkó ọ̀rẹ́ rọ̀ wẹ́ ibi wẹ́ sọ́fà yẹn ni ọ̀yà náà bí yóò jẹun dẹ́nẹ̀ wẹ́ bù wẹ́ máa gbà ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn you didn't show them father love you want to show father love to outsiders but your own children you neglect your children you didn't show them father love you want to show father love to outsiders ìdènà ẹ̀rẹ́ náà ọ̀yàn náà wọ́n ní sẹ́wẹ́ àyè ìṣẹ́wẹ́ àyè. I need to tear you apart again. Because of your view, the is getting too much. If you viens where you go, if you viens where you go, à vous, à vous, tete, à vous, meg, à soko. Oh, yeah, moi, papa, ya, where you go, and when no one go to brigade. When the whole bugger there. Oh, yeah, where you go. Oh, where you were? Yeah, Matado. Yes, Aka. Orphanage home na scam. Ajebo orphanage home na scam. You no get with my head. That money they find. You know they work. Na street work. You just use on the follow up. The 5 women we go fit deceive, collect money for their hand. Make they follow up. We know the story. Very. Kind of orphanage home. I mean, when you believe what you live orphanage, I'm orphanage home. Una way they clap and follow. No, be the orphanage home. Now make up that orphanage home. Now they spend heaven and earth for that orphanage home. And they want to get chichi when they contribute to that orphanage home. Instead, now on our own, until they follow up. Of a new go, you go wow, you go. In fact, I pity you now. If you are not knowing, I will know a week. If you are knowing, I will know a week, ne cocoa food domain. We are cocoa food domain. Me we the cocoa food domain. For those of you that want to buy a we, when I go cocoa food domain. If you want to buy a we with disable Vivian Mat, cocoa food domain get her. Yeah. Any of you will know in a way. Vivian, you are cake by your poo. For your mind, you find Vivian. Oh, Ghana, equal Nimosei. Ah, yo. You and your husband is a bleaching association. Who are bleach wife for? Woman where they bleach, not they fine. Una bleach. Una not get natural beauty. Una bleach. o na fa ke ma erere e fi fi ko ma we di ajebo wa yu egbe wa we no kamene wa ya gbajebo ajebo ki yan mi no o mi baba o ki yan mi dada ndu he no wo ne o he no gba kan ne e gre don high ho no wa nya man finish you up, you know. I don't want to finish you this morning. It's too early to disgone you this morning. Vivian, oh oui, moi, on small boy mu yowa. Small boy mu yowa. When you know that we're coming, we wone. When I am, nobody figure him away. If you when I am, nobody figure him, we can live fiba. Egbuwe ya bolu ane ne ya dodge bullet wa du we na ame be kusu no kan ajebo he ka hu yo wuji na je masati gwegwa iragiro ije go biere no dire oi on est defending me when ajebo is my stepson allow we have to need to contribute for me I need to do my marriage with ajebo. You only sally any almost to sally you know I'm here salo yeah if you're wearing it's okay man go wearing see I you ya salo I salo back and front ajebo se we agbe won o ajebo o se we agbe won o salo ma pe kan fo ajebo se agbe o idenu no we padro de ma we no ajebo u be o na ti o menwa. You will know me. You understand? You will know me. When you know me, you will see me, you will bow out the way you lay. I bet you are. No work in Nigeria, DH or route work in Nigeria. Una yati abandon, you still call yourself a responsible man. I know. Ya not take me at your abonia batoniana married in Nigeria. A fit. A fit. No see Sagari Kitorina. A fit. Young abadoniwe. Yana Marco in Nigeria. Go and check your character. Faith. Here we might go under you're fighting for you. But you should first of all, we are checking character way. And you know, see, we are not railway buna abandon way. When I am married in Nigeria. Go and check your character, number one. Number two, go and thank your God. Go and thank your God that you did not marry that man because you marry he has not been dating that woman today. He shall be for long, even before even you. So he was just using that the experiment. Let me check these two sides. No money may say. So no money may say we demand. So no money may say no day okay say on we demand. So Kate, thank your God. They tell you marry where you will still talk to a single mother. You'll be understand the men we Kate faith, not be Kate faith. You understand? And a Kate in Waruweni is the bad head. You understand? Because a Kate guy anywhere warinye wabara webu. In know what you know. In no fit it's a table talk. Understand? It's a table talk. Bros, again now yes. Again now on a big agagbene. Igbe aga ko no tin amare igbe aga. Yes, I will tell you the truth. Igbe aga ko no tin amare igbe aga. Na me dey talk am. But we tell ourselves the truth, we not deceive ourselves again. You understand? Igbe will not allow his sister to marry Omyongo. I don't like Kunamata. I don't like Kunamata because he was said that. He said that really wire. You understand? Go and check yourself. Faith, you know the shame. You want marry. You want to go marry your own friend, brother. Your own friend will know you rich ass, know what you they play, know how they play. How you tell say you go still get a job at that home? Because your friend going to control you for that your home. Because he know everything. He know the secret gonna hide for each other. He know how to say also. You know how to bend down select. You know how to hope Lagos more money. If he said tomorrow, you go tell your brother. You don't get sense. So, you want mother street care, brother? You don't get sense, none of the wise. You don't frustrate rich like that. So you want to go marry, you want to go marry your own friend. We know the girl that they do things, brother. My sister, as you just quiet since then, not talk. Not talk, oh. Not just talk. You understand? Why are you just do your own thing, they go like that? Not talk, because if you talk, they go to analyze you. They will finish you for the social media. They go to you. You understand? How can you say you want to go and marry your own friend, best friend, brother? That same kid's brother may still get out and that DHL will go marry. If you can't call Europe, that person will collect that for your hand. Now, so you all be now. We know the story. You understand? Problem not there. My brother, go and bring your DHL. We dey wait. Let's see it. The DHL go see, he will come Europe. He will come save fine boy. You know, sir. If you carry and come, who find pass you go collect them for your hand? Who shall pass you go collect them for your hand? If you leave them for Nigeria, oh, I trust my Yahoo boys. They're going to help you the hammer. I trust my Yahoo boys. Obi understand me now. Don't worry. Because now you're the way you. If you la one of them Mountain Dew. Okay, I mean Mountain Dew. I want to do anything tired. Man, I stand up for. You feel me so? Then change your character. All those things when they do so. All those oversabities. All those notice me things when they change them. Because we will be guys when they see all those things. That's not the truth. There are some women you can marry. There are some women you cannot marry. A woman that acts like a man is not wanting to be married. Yes, so a woman that acts like a man, I cannot marry my own fellow man. I marry a woman. I don't want to marry a man. Majority of life video women, they are men. We tell you only like we are. You understand? So women, when they misbehave, when they look now, especially when they never marry, and they misbehave, when they look now. If you know you never marry, you did live video. Respect yourself, be humble, be respectful. You go see man, we go carry you come over that live video. Put you for us. They say the boy na home base, he never come abroad. He jail. Faith, na home base, if you want to go marry, come carry come. Yeah. Alright, so a life I'm gonna frustrated. Yeah. Who be this faith self? So you don't frustrate she like that, so you want to go marry home base come. I cannot imagine. For me, I live with that. I think yes, I know. Yo, do. Hey, Osalobo say everywhere. A home base. Why is it there? Why is it there? I have a property you know will a home base. A home base you go marry, they go see me change all the things we don't do for now. We never do. All the hands we don't be, we never know. They go see me change down to their own way. Nigeria people, home base, choose them play. Yeah, when I want to wear your fee out, all your money could in Nigeria. Where are you Nigeria once in a year? Yeah, I saw like you. Where can home base you could be in the corner? Already flat in the Muna, but not be like oil. Oh boy, I mean, I'll move those people out for me. I'm not order for Bumata. I think you know, dig your clean. I mean, you're going, that's all you're going issue. Yes, so my people are rich now with love. This is the way this man want love, better style. Or do my drink? I'll see you later. We need to hook up later. You need to connect to people who do to connect to some responsible women. You need connection. Some responsible men need connection. Don't be all men responsible. You understand? Some men just did. You see all those men where they support Ajebona and the same squad they be. I don't need to tell you anybody where they support person where they do evil. People like Ajebona man when they both they support them. I don't need to tell you now. Women want to be wise. I don't need to tell you say those are not man, those are women. So now when women want like them, now be the man. When I get that clear for mine. Because why? Now evil they born evil. Evil must support evil. I don't hate Ajebo. Make it change from our evil ways. Make it change from to deceive people. they worship women like say the women are God. I've never seen Ajebo come out to praise God, say, God, thank you for today, for giving me life. But you can praise women because of Ilalobo. Hope you understand me now. I greet you now with love. When I use brain, I don't know my trick. How are you? I'll see you guys later.